Hello and welcome to the Modern Railway. Well, everything, unfortunately, on the layout today has come to a grinding halt. The station is all blocked up. Every train has been stopped. Nothing running at the moment. No, it's not industrial action, unfortunately. There's a bit of an incident taking place and the transport police have requested all trains to stop. So if you look at this, you'll see what I mean. Some unfortunate person has decided he wants to cause havoc. Now the police have arrived and the fire brigade are there. Network rail staff are on the track attending to the situation down below, and we'll just have to pan it out and basically see how it all works out. So that's it. Nothing can be done at the moment until the police have resolved the situation. That's it for now. We'll keep you posted on what happens.